And welcome back to the Paul Olden Details channel. This is the Big Boy Electric Foamer. This was kindly sent down by Ultimate Finish. This is a 1.8 litre unit, foam R18, but it is in fact a sprayer as well, which you'll see later on in the video. So what's the idea behind this? Well, it's consistency of product without having to pump up. Just pull the trigger and away you go. So some details for you: a 2500 mAh battery, a large mouth, a bit like myself, a 2.5 bar pressure rating, no more pumping, charge it, fill it, foam it, and a run time of 60 minutes. Now, on the side of the box, that's what's in it, the gasket. The first time I used it, brilliant, the gasket works fine, but you need two of them because you need one to go in the foaming nozzle and one to go in the spray nozzle. I have spoken to Ultimate Finish about this on the phone, and they're going to chase up Big Boy and try and sort this problem out. You definitely need two gaskets. You do not want to be changing that every time you want to swap from foam to APC or detailer. So there's the USB, nice and easy. And on the back of the unit, you've got all your numbers to show how much fluid you've got in it. And there's a clear little window there. So as you top it up to the top, there's the max. There is a gap, and that is for the air to sit in. Nice, easy trigger to press with a locking mechanism. And there is the pressure release valve. A note: do turn the unit off before you dump the air. Otherwise, it will just keep going and going and going. So there you have the charge port, nice soft button on the front, and there is some lights on the front which are the battery indicator lights. I'm going to shut up and power it up. So here we go then, a nice consistent foam. This is actually breakthrough shampoo from High Definition Detail. And yes, I'm using wheel cleaner on the body of a van. Don't worry, it's a commercial, do not fret. So this produces a lovely, nice, consistent foam. So what will happen is, as the pressure decides to drop a little bit, the pump kicks in. You don't actually notice any difference in loss of pressure. It still maintains that consistency of product on the panel. Talking of which, we are going to swap the nozzles over now. This is the spray nozzle. You can use APC, TFR in this, but do not use really harsh chemicals in this. It will make the seals fail. It's not meant for the really harsh stuff. So we're thinking pre-washes, snow foams, shampoos. And of course, all-purpose cleaner, courtesy of Detailed Online. I'm going to chuck a couple of catfalls in that and then brim it back up again. So simply twist it into place. And then we're going to undo that and change it over to the other nozzle. As I said previously, when you order yours, you should have two gaskets in it. Remember, you need them, it seals them. So that's what it's like using an all-purpose cleaner. The one thing I can tell you is this is incredibly light, this unit. Now these are a luxury. At the time of making this video, these retail for £79, and there is a smaller version, there is a 1 litre version, and that is £45. Yes, that is quite a lot of money for an accessory such as this. But just think about the long run, no more pumping. And those of you who live in flats, you might like something like this. If you have a problem getting access to an outside tap, this could be for you. And also, if you go to a car show and you just want a little bit of a spritz over, you could put some shampoo in it, you could put some QD in it. It's quite addictive, this. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. Ta-ra!